There you go.
Oh, we didn't got. Why the fuck are you doing me,
Turn off Nemo car, bro. Actually, no, keep Nemo car. Never mind.
Icebreaker, icebreaker, icebreaker.
No, Gator Valley, Gator Valley, Gator Valley.
Oh my god, Gator Valley. Oh my god.
Gator Valley, dude.
Dude, I haven't played Gator Valley in so long.
I fucking hate Gator Valley.
And we're playing it now.
Dude, I'm gonna suck ass at this game.
Power of team.
Yo. Stop.
Be free.
I don't think Diego likes us watching JoJo's anymore.
Okay, guys, let's be the Gators.
Oh my god, this is my fucking.
Let's be Gators, bro. Oh, wait, no, let's see what Maximo is. Yeah.
The fuck is this cow?
I can be a cow.
Best cow.
Dude, why is he? Why is he white?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Punch this guy off! Oh my gosh! Are we for real? Are we for real?
Oh my god, this cow.
Oh my gosh, we're so bad.
Leave him alone.
Where the bomb?
No.
Oh! That dude just went flying. Grab the steroids. Grab the spinach. The spinach. Oh my gosh. This. Yo, he's dumb. He sucks. Whoa. Oh yes. Let's go. Wait. He's still not dead. Punch him off. Oh my gosh! Let's go, Maximo.
I would have died at the end.
Oh, I just killed myself. Guys, help! Guys,
Gabriel, hit that one fishing!
Oh my gosh, I saw Gabriel fly off.
You're stupid as fuck. Dude, I saw that shit.
Oh yeah, it's over. No, Maximo. No! Oh my gosh! Maximo's about to clutch again. Okay, I don't know about that one anymore. He slipped on a banana.
Bring it on back.
Jump him! Jump him! Jump him! Why is he just walking off? Oh, bomb! Oh wait, you won again. Oh my gosh, you're crazy, bro. You're actually insane. You're insane, Jarvis. Yo, I actually suck at this game. What the hell? Oh my god!
Gabriel, you got him.
Let's go! Oh my gosh! We're actually crazy at this game. All right, one more public, and then the 1v1. Oh my gosh, the golden pig! Oh, why? Why'd you just?
Take this!
Oh, bro, whose dog is going crazy? Yo.
I'm actually the worst player.
Whose dog is that, bro? Oh shoot, it's falling off!
I got you.
What? I don't think you got me, bro.
I got you, bro.
The bomb! No! Kill the pigs! Oh my gosh.
Kill the damn pigs!
Bomb!
Oh!
Oh! Oh my gosh, how?
Oh my god. Holy save. Holy save. I saved the fucking. I saved it.
It specifically got the other team.
He did it!
Yo, are we gonna... Why would you do that?
I'm actually so sorry. That shit was on in.
Alright. Kill the freaking pig! Oh my god, the pig just got sent flying! Oh shoot!
What's our damn
Deal, I got you, I got you, I got you.
Oh,
my
I'm dead. I'm
fucking
dead.
God.
I'm dead. I'm dead. No.
No, the banana peel saved you, right?
Oh my gosh.
Fish!
Dude, hit him off.
I can't.
Watch this.
Oh my fucking God, I just hit someone up.
Oh yeah, I'm dead. Oh no.
Oh, shit. It's Joe.
No, it's not.
Yep, I just reset the universe at this point. Don't even juggle about the universe.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, Diego, move. I gotta hit him with the fish.
Get him, get. No!
But you hit him!
I'm just blaming Gabriel for no reason. I'm sorry.
Why are you blaming me?
Because I had no one to blame on my... Oh. No,
I got him right here.
No, you
No!
No way we won this. No way we won this.
Oh my gosh! We actually won that.
Yo, what you doing there, little fella?
It's break. The koala!
Bro, I cannot...
Oh my gosh!
If I die, Diego!
Bomb! No! It's only got me.
Diego!
It only got
Oh my
me.
God, he's getting dodged.
Oh my God.
You know what?
Oh my. Yo, our teammate needs to clutch us up. What is our what is? Oh my gosh, they killed him. Killed him to. They beat him. Oh my gosh!
How'd you fall? Gabriel, sacrifice yourself. Sacrifice yourself.
No help! Oh my gosh, throw him off! Yes! Wait, did that actually work? Oh my god!
Let's go! I keep on sacrificing myself
For the greater good of humanity.
for the greater good of humanity!
Kaboom! Diego, stop hitting me.
Oh my gosh. Also, what is that skin? Throw him off! Yo.
Done.
How, yo, how'd you not? You just like freaking tanked it. Who are you, Juggernaut?
Guys, how do you climb stuff again?
Don't do not say I'm just...
Yo, what is going on? What? Oh, you're done. You're done. Oh. Oh yeah, it's over. No, it's not. I'm better.
Get the fuck off!
Oh!
Oh, please. No!
Why would you do that? Yeah.
No, please, Gabriel.
Gabriel, what is that skin, bro?
No.
I better get something good. Oh! Oh, jump! Oh my gosh.
Diego, shit, fucking alone. Okay, you know what? Pamugu.
Oh. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot!
Haha. Come over here. Dude, I can't eat you.
Dodge it!
Dude, you're not...
Dodging and weaving!
Shut up.
Oh, I missed. You're not hitting a shot, bruh.
Dude, I have no...
You know what? Take this fish.
Take what?
Watch this.
Dumbass. Play.
What? Oh yeah, I'm done. It's over. No!
What was that?
I'm about to drop a bomb, bro.
No, help me. Diego, help me. Help.
A bomb!
It's a boom. No, help me, Diego.
Yo, die! Oh my gosh!
No, you're pathetic. No, help me. Wait. Help me, you better.
Oh. What? Oh my gosh. How are you back? What the?
Stop trying to hit me.
Oh. Wait, let me eat some ice cream.
Shut the fuck up. No.
Oh my gosh. I thought I was safe.
Let go.
Old Valley. Stop fighting, guys. Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
Okay, everyone stop. Everyone stop fighting. Everyone stop fighting. Wait. Everyone stop fighting.
We're not hitting that. Okay. We all jump off at the same time. Let's see. 3, 2, 1.
You're the only one doing it. Go, no! Go! No! Oh, you know! Where did Maximo go? What do you mean? Oh my! Oh, are we for real?
You're for real.
You know who else is for real? My mom!
No, help me. No.
No way.
I am the fuck.
Oh my god!
No, Diego, help me now. Get your down. No.
Go!
No.
Maximo!
Full valiant.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, you want to come up? Oh. Oh, what the?
I see.
Oh, you want?
No, please let go.
Oh shoot! No!
I survived the last. Leave me alone.
Oh my!
Oh my god.
Ah! Go! Oh my gosh!
We're done.
What?
Shut up, bro. Take it from me.
Oh my god.
I did it.
Loser!
Don't call me loser.
Oh shoot! No! Holy miss, bro.
Shut up.
Yo! Oh! Damn, bro, got sent flying. Gabriel, watch out!
My mom called me.
Oh, that was actually insane. Oh my!
You coming.
Corny ambulance.
No! Bro, okay.
Okay, if you hit me, you're gay.
Let's go!
Bro, do you have a?
I got a day on the side, on my side.
Papa alert.
Oh!
Diego, you.
Obama,
Diego.
Oh my gosh! No! The bomb!
Fuck.
Let's go!
No, Diego, don't hit him. Don't hit him up.
Oh my gosh! What? No! What? Oh my gosh!
You were done, Gabriel.
You just made Gabriel win again.
What the
Boy!
fuck are we doing? Shut up. Shut up.
Oh.
Shut up. Why do I get knocked out first? Get off me. Overgrown Smitty.
I'm the real one.
Oh, fuck.
That sucked.
Yeah, I know that doesn't make any sense. I like saying stuff in Japanese.
Just saying stuff to say stuff.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Yo. Oh my gosh.
You're so easy. Take this.
What? Oh my gosh. Yo, move! Oh, shoot!
No.
Oh my gosh, let's go.
No.
I told you were gonna die to him.
Fuck.
Okay, maybe
Hey, buddy. Eyes up here.
Oh, you're dead. Huss. Oh my gosh, we're hussing. You're the huss dog.
We're hussing.
Oh, crap.
Dude, Daniel, you do not know.
We're actually hussing. We're actually hussing. Oh my gosh.
You are hussing from your demons.
Oh my. Wait, no, I helped him. Never mind. Let's go.
Let's go! Everyone, do not move an inch. No, I'm hitting the. No, I'm hitting the. I'm hitting the fucking. I'm chunking the deuce.
Wait. Oh my god!
Shut up! Shut up!
Oh my god!
Trying to meet your mate.
Oh, you're just spamming that now, huh? Oh my god! Yo.
You know what?
You know what? I'm gonna. Oh shoot!
That's the worst idea you had.
I mean, nothing really happened. Yo, move. Oh my gosh. Insane throw.
Wait, guys, no, give her this move. Oh yeah, thanks, Diego.
I'm winning. What the?
No, you're not.
Yo, move! 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 Oh my gosh, I actually hate this game. Gabriel, I hold him. Yeah!
You're so
Oh.
Diego, what are you doing? Diego, what are you? What did I do? I'm kind. What you did?
What?
Idiot.
Bro's Daredevil. What?
Yeah, I am Daredevil, huh? Talk about it? No, I'm Bullseye, my bad. I like Bullseye. After I finish Daredevil.
Bullseye is also my favorite.
Yeah, Diego, I'm not LARPing Bullseye anymore. You can't call me that.
Move! Oh my gosh! I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead!
Infinity, help me out!
Bro, let me catch you play one round.
Yo, stay away! Stay away from me! Oh my gosh!
Don't leave me alone!
Oh my gosh! Yo, please, get away. Please, get away.
I hate these. Diego!
Well, she told me that you died. She told
Oh,
me
well,
she told me to
fucking
tell
died.
you that you die.
Diego, what are you doing? Win this game!
No!
You idiot!
I did not win a single match. Oh my god.
Yay!
Nobody
Why is
move.
there so much
Not one
gold?
bit.
It's Christmas! Come on, banana! It's Christmas! Come on, banana!
Shut up.